In this video, we'll be discussing the concept of Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is used in right-angled triangles to find the values of the different sides. First, let us take a look at a right-angled triangle. This is how a right-angled triangle looks. The side C here is called the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse. These two sides, A and B, are the legs. And this is a 90-degree angle. These type of triangles are called right angle triangles because they have a 90-degree angle. A 90-degree angle is called a right angle, and because this 90-degree angle is present in this triangle, they call these triangles right angled triangles. The Pythagoras theorem is basically a square plus b square equals c square. Is A is a leg, B is a leg, C is a hypotenuse. It basically states that if you add the squares of both the legs, it will give you the square of the hypotenuse. We can change the subject of the formula to find the values of the legs too. Let us look at an example. In this example, we are given two values and the hypotenuse is missing. So we will solve this by first writing down the formula. That's the first step. And then we will change the subject of the formula to just C. We'll do that by a square plus b square equals C root. When you move a power from one side to another, it will become a root. Square root. So our A value, let's just take 5 square, or let's keep 10 as a B value, equals C. So 25 plus 100 equals C, square root of 125 is our C value. So our C will be 11.18. Let us take a look at one last example. In this example, we have one hypotenuse. We have the hypotenuse and one leg. We are missing the value of one leg, which is x over here. So first, as usual, we will write down the Pythagoras theorem. We'll substitute the values. A square, let's keep it 5 square, plus x square equals 15 squared. We need to make x the subject, so we'll move 5 square to the other side first. So 5 square equals 15 square minus 5 square, x square equals, and then x equals square root 15 squared minus 5 squared. So it will be x equals 225 minus 25, which is x equals square root 200, and that will give us 14.14. Rounded to 2 decimal places. 14.14 is the value of one of our legs. Now we can check if this value is correct by putting this value in the theorem again. A square plus b square equals c square. We can check that 5 square plus 14.14 square equals 15 squared. So it will be 25 plus 1 second. Will be 199.9394 actually equals 225. So if we add 199.94 with 25, we should get 225, and that's right. So now we know that the answer we got is correct. This is how we use the Pythagoras theorem. I'm sorry, I just noticed that the spelling of Pythagoras theorem over here is wrong. I'm just gonna fix that. It's Pythagoras theorem. We will be using this Pythagoras theorem in some of the upcoming videos, which is the reason I created this video. This is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and comment down your thoughts about the video.